this is Simple Batra from Simple Digital School, and today we are going to cover topic decision making process and decision making at the 3 levels of management. So for today our learning objectives will be why decision making is important for any organization, describe the different types of decision which are taken at the 3 levels of management. Then, this is very important, systems for decision support at the 3 levels. Which particular information system supports which particular level, and the stages of decision making process. So, why decision making is important for any organization? Any idea? Give a thought to it. See, what happens in most of the organizations, there are very limited resources and outdated metrics to check out the progress of the organization. So what can be the solution? Use the improved statistical analysis and analyze statistically that which are more affordable players and which must be overlooked now. The solution also looks forward to use the business intelligence so that the cost can be low and the performance can be optimized maximally. It also illustrates that how the information systems can provide the advantages for the limited period of time.
See, there are some figures given in this particular table, and there are some examples of the decision making shown here. And when a particular decision maker takes that particular decision, annually how many times the decisions are taken generally, that is given here. Now, the estimated value of the profit which is added to a particular firm is shown here in this particular column. And annually, how much a particular decision can add a value in terms of monetary benefits to the particular organization is shown here. So the idea is to measure the business benefits if the decisions are improved, and we are looking forward to link it to the improvements in terms of profitability to the particular firm. That if a particular firm takes better decision, that how many profits are increased in a particular firm, correct? And the decisions are taken at all the levels in a firm. They can seem to be very common and routine decisions, but they are actually exceptionally valuable for the firm. For example, if we talk about the first decision, allocate support to most valuable customers, that the most valuable customers of any organization must be given support timely, even if it is paid. The decision is to be taken by the accounts manager here, and annually, generally this decision is repeated 12 times in a year. And this particular decision, if goes in the correct direction and is taken carefully, it can add $1 lakh value to the particular organization, that is the monetary benefit for the organization. So in case 12 decisions in a year taken correctly multiplied to $1 lakh means $12 lakh benefit to the particular organization. This is how we can judge that if a particular decision which is to be repeated 12 times in a year is taken correctly, efficiently and in an improved manner, it can add up $12 lakh to the particular firm. So this is how the decision making is important for a particular firm. This is what we were talking in the earlier slide. I've shown you through the proper example over here. So improving hundreds of thousands of small decisions can add up to the large annual value for a business. We have seen that a decision making plays a vital role in the management. If you are a manager, you need the information which is very much accurate and which can improve your decision making in a better way. If you are working alone or you are working in a group, in a team, then also you require the systematic and very well efficient decision-making system to help you in taking the correct decisions. The managers require the specialized systems which can be used in the firms to achieve the better decision making, and they can be used at the various levels in the management which can give the accurate decisions, on-time decisions, and specifically goal-oriented decisions. You have to work for the particular goal. Now this particular diagram or picture shows the example of one of the decision making tool which is generally used these days very widely, and this is called as digital dashboard, which is very comprehensive tool for delivering the comprehensive and accurate information for decision making, and it is showing the entire analysis of the data of a particular organization on a single screen. Basically, this is its beauty, and it shows everything in a graphical manner. It gives the graphical overview of the key performance indicators, all those key factors which are helping the company in growing or showing the status of the market. They are called as key performance indicators, and they help the managers to quickly spot out the areas which need actually attention. See here, sales by the type 2012, sales revenue, media utilization, returns on investment. These are the key performance indicators of any firm, that how much you are investing. Are you getting the returns out of the same or not on the particular parameters like online catalogs, social media marketing, offline marketing, and much more. So on whichever factor the returns are low on investment, they can be quickly considered and taken into consideration for the betterment. See, there are three levels in any organization. Operational management is the lowest level where the individual employees actually work. Then goes the middle management, and then goes the top level management, which is your senior management. I have taken it from down to up. You can go top to down also. Now when we talk about the lowest level, we are talking about clerks, we are talking about operational managers, those who take the decisions of daily basis which are repetitive in nature and which are of the routine work. For example, clearance of checks. This is a common everyday repetitive decision in a bank, and the basics are checked very oftenly, so it need not be changed every time. Such kind of decisions are structured decisions. Then second is the middle management. They take the semi-structured decisions basically. For example, designing a marketing plan, develop a departmental budget, design a new corporate website. Such kind of examples where the little variation might take place, that is the semi-structured decisions. The senior management deals with all such kind of decisions which have a big impact on the firm, and it can decide the firm's stability, firm's market repo also. So unstructured decisions might include decide entrance or exit from the markets. For example, if you have to promote your products online or you want to do it only offline, this is a big decision. So this kind of decisions are taken by the senior management, deciding the long-term goals of any organization. The unstructured decisions are taken by the senior managers. At a middle level, middle managers make all these decisions which are semi-structured in the nature, and only the part of the problem has a clear-cut answers. Now, when we talk about the lowest level, that is the operational level, most of the times the decisions are same and you're not required to make lots of changes in the same in the procedure, or the new procedure is to be implemented. So here we have a highly structured decisions to be taken. Which kind of automated information systems can help in making those decisions at the three levels of management, top, middle and bottom? Let's give a look to this here. Here, the level of the organization is given, which kind of decision is taken, and which type of decision support system is taken here. Basically, when we say decision support system, means which kind of information system is helping in taking the decisions in an automated manner. At a top level, senior management works. They take unstructured decisions, and here the executive support systems, they actually help. At a middle level, they take semi-structured decisions, and here in a combined manner, management information systems, decision support systems and group decision support systems work as per the need of the situations. Then lastly, the operational management, lowest level, they take generally highly structured decisions, or many times semi-structured also they might need to take. And they also use in combination decision support systems, management information systems and group decision support systems. Now let's focus on to the decision making process. There are 4 stages in the decision making process which was given by Simon in 1960, and the first phase talks about intelligence, second is design, third is choice and fourth is implementation. When we say intelligence, means it is focusing on discovering, finding out, identifying and understanding the actual existing problems which are there in the organization. And after knowing the problems, it talks about the design phase. Design phase looks forward to find out, identify and explore all the possible solutions of that particular problem and list them properly. Now you have a list of possible solutions or the alternatives, and amongst those particular alternatives or solutions in the third phase, the best solution or the alternative is chosen by the managers. Finally, after choosing the correct possible solution, it is implemented, but it needs to be checked continually by monitoring so that you can check that if the solution is actually working in a correct direction or not. Here you can see the diagrammatic representation of the stages in decision making. This is a very important diagram. Do include it in the examination. Here the first phase intelligence talks about the problem discovery, where the MIS systems are generally used and the proper reports are generated. Then secondly, the design phase, which looks forward for the solution discovery and for all the possible alternatives. Here the decision support systems work as they work upon the analytic models and spreadsheets to find out the exact possible solutions and design the solutions after analyzing the data. Then comes the choice phase, that is choosing the correct solution out of all possible solutions. Here the group decision support systems work. Why? Because they use the collaborative tools and online meetings so that to check out that if the possible solutions are adaptable, acceptable or not, and which one is the most acceptable and widely supported solution that is chosen here. Finally, after choosing the correct solution, it is implemented in the implementation phase, and it is also known as the solution testing phase to check if the solution is working properly or not. Here, management information systems are used, decision support systems are used for making the proper reports through MIS and for analysis and data representation. You have a DSS systems used here. Our next topic will be decision support system. Thank you so much. Do comment in the comment box. I'll be welcoming your suggestions. Like the video. Bye bye. Take care and have a nice time.